Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the control settings within the Far Cry 5 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Far Cry 5 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, go ahead and click on Options, and this will now show you all of your options that you can choose. If you are using a joystick or a gamepad, you can click on the gamepad option, and you will be allowed to change your buttons and redefine your preferences from the gamepad menus. If you are using your keyboard and mouse to play this game, you can click on keyboard and mouse. And now you will be able to redefine your settings by choosing each of the categories. In order to change any particular setting, go ahead and just click on this control. And once the question mark icon appears, you can tap on the respective button that you wish to change into. Once you press this button, it will be assigned to this control right away. You can do this with as many number of controls that you want. And after setting up your control, you can go back and start your game, and your control settings will be applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings within the Far Cry 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.